Why do I choose natural medicine? One of my big whys is I was born lactose intolerant. So from a teeny tiny little infant, I had all sorts of stomach issues. They finally figured out it was because I was lactose intolerant, but struggled with it my whole life. If I had anything dairy, it would just throw off my system for days. 14 years ago, I was introduced to this digestive blend, which is enzymes. If you know the term lactose intolerant, essentially what it means is that you've run out of the enzyme lactose. So your body is not producing the enzyme needed to break down lactose. So by taking these, I was replacing what my body wasn't able to do. So anytime I ate, I take the digestive blend. What I've done over the last 14 years, because I've taken so much of it, is that I've rebuilt my own bank account of lactose enzymes. Even though I choose to stay away from dairy for the most part, just for health benefits, if I do decide to, have a slice of pizza or maybe the occasional scoop of ice cream, I have no problem eating it anymore. It causes me no issues whatsoever, all thanks to this little digestive blend.